This video is about how to set up the laser cutter so you can cut something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a border around this one, this lettering, like as though I would have a piece of pine and I want to just cut out the lettering of this. So first thing I need to do is make the fill of it transparent, and then so now it's so totally clear. Maybe I am not happy with the size of it, so I can work in here and say, alright, let's make this a perfect size. So we'll make it 400, perfect as in we've got some zeros in it. Yeah, oh, oops, turn that off and say, let's say 400, let's enter, and oh, and it moved. So I'm going to move it back. Oop, sorry, come over here, you. I'll put you back over here. And we're then going to make the stroke of it red. So 255 tab 0 tab 0. Press enter. And its stroke needs to be 0.001. What I might do this time is save this as a, I got two there, I'm going to delete that one. Save this as a PDF, so then we can see what happens next. So I've got a red line there. Let's make the fill of this transparent, so we can see that it's just going to be a red and blue outline. I then say save as, and I've got a whole heap of ones that I've already saved in my St. Mary's projects. This one is called tutorial 1, and I'll make it 2 because it's cutting. So save. Then what I do is I save as the PDF. Yep. I then open that in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So apologies if this is slow loading. Here's all my recent files. I just want to open one that I just did. So I called it in my St. Mary's tutorial 2. Open that up, and here we have. Now you can see already that it's vastly different to the last one because it's got red and blue. If I press print, I can then choose my printer, which is this one. I can say the properties of that. So I go straight back into this one. Yep, it's going to be 12 mil, and it's going to be pine, and then I OK that, and I press print down here. It's going to send that file to the software, which is this over here, and you'll see now it's a vast. If I click on this one, you can see that that one's black, and instantly you can see that that's going to cut that, and that's going to come out etched. Really deeply etched because it's in the blue. So that's how you do cutting, and the next tutorial is going to be about how we can actually set up an image so that it becomes a vector and what we can do with that vector as well. So I hope that helps. You might need to watch this one a couple of times because I may have gone through it fairly quickly, but if you watch it a couple of times and you do the task prescribed over and over again, you become very adept to using it.